Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you guys did not know, I also make Kydex holsters. Alright, same material that you use to make the Kydex knife sheaths is the same material that you use to make holsters. It's really not that difficult once you get the process down. I do have a second site for this type of products. So if you're interested, go to threeriverblades.com. You can go to the shop menu, click on the shop menu, look down the menu, and where it says holsters, click on that link. That link will take you over to my Kydex making holsters. Over there, as you can see, I can make different colors. I have different styles, inside the waistband, outside the waistband. Typically, the inside runs about $40, the outside runs about $50, sort of like a pancake style, and you can check out all the holsters I've already done up there. Also, I make Tourniquet Cards. A tourniquet card is just a pouch that I use a large clip that you can attach it to either your duty belt, a molly clip, or something like that. All right. Multiple guns are available. Multiple gun holsters are already available. So if you're a Glock person, obviously, I'm not really trying to get into a competition with some of the well or better known Kydex holster makers. I'm just doing this as a side business to a side business. That's all it is. It's just me using the materials that I have to create something that people want. All right. So like I said, 40 bucks plus shipping, and then 50 bucks plus shipping. If you want a custom holster, there's also a form up there as well. So all you have to do is go to the website over there, and I'll put the links down below. Play around with the buttons, give you a little bit of an idea of what's available. I will have a lot of the Glock stuff because a lot of people like Glock, so Glock 26, 19, 17, 20, 21, all that kind of stuff is available. It doesn't take as long to make a Kydex holster as it does to make a knife. All that being said, I'll leave all the links down below. If you do have a gun that I cannot get a mold for, then just email me, whatever. All the information's up there. Go to the FAQs. We'll probably have to use an FFL transfer to get it to me if you're really that interested. Again, like I said, I'm not trying to beat up or go into competition with some of the better known holster makers. This is just a little bit more product that I can push out to all of you guys. Since you like my knives, I figured the Kydex holsters are pretty simple to make, and they are affordable, very affordable. That being said, make sure you get on the mailing list. Get on those mailing lists. That's the only place that I'm going to send any type of discount codes. If you don't get on it, you don't get the code. Sorry, that's it. So get on the email list. And again, you know, I do a lot of the promotions and discounts via email around the holidays or around some important days that come around. So I know a lot of people are asking me for the chest rigs or the chest holsters, that kind of stuff. I'm still researching that, so thank you very much. Be patient. It's really not that hard to make, but it's not going to be a $40 holster. Now you just jumped it up to like maybe $150, $200. So, you know, if you're willing to pay that price, not bad. You know, we'll do it. But understand, any custom work with Kydex is going to be a little bit more money. So today what I'm going to do is I've already pressed out these holsters. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them out, shape them up, clean them up, and then give you an idea of the type of work that I do. So thank you very much, guys. Please go to threeriverblades.com, check out all the knives and holsters that I now have up there, and I will talk to you soon, and stay safe. Thank you.